Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. 20V performance cordless heat gun from Parkside, the model PPHLGA 20LIA2. Bare unit only, battery and charger not included. One battery series over 100 devices, compatible with all X20V Team Series rechargeable batteries. Temperature from 50 to 500 degrees Celsius with LED work light. Cool down function, air volume from 150 to 300 liters per minute, 6 settings, accessories, recommended battery 20V 4Ah smart battery. Compared to the Parkside oldest model, this one has 76% greater airflow, 43 additional heating levels and 4 further air volume levels. Ready to connect with Parkside app with a 5 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Nice durable case. Included we have the manual. Accessories. You can have the accessories here. If you manage to insert one by one, it is a little bit damaged the case. So you can use the 8Ah professional battery or the 4Ah second battery for storage here. You can use the 2.4 amp charger, regular charger, or the fast charger 4.5 amps. It is your choice. Most of the time I'm using the 2.4 amps. Oh, we have this. Okay. Cool down off, cool down on. Okay. Lightweight, I like that. Soft elements around. The trigger, the safety lock. Press and then it will work. Soft elements and add the trigger. LED working light. At the back we have the LCD display, the control panel here, cool down button, decrease and increase the temperature, 2 buttons, and the airflow decrease and increase. Nice. The outlet for the air. You can remove that if you want. Rotate and it locks. We have 4 different accessories. The surface nozzle, the reflector nozzle, the restrictor, and one metal triangle. With this handle, loosen the screw to install the triangle. Nice! It is a paint scraper. You can use it together with a heat gun. And you can install all these accessories here at the front. And of course you can use one of the professional batteries. I will use the 8Ah. It's cooling down right now. We can see at the display. So when you are pressing the button, is working, and after releasing the button is cooling down. Is countdown right now, 17-16 seconds. It is quite cool. Nice. And we can see the LED working light. Very convenient. I like it. And here at the back, with the decrease button, you can decrease the temperature. Minimum it is 50 degrees Celsius and maximum press and hold 500 degrees Celsius. Or with the P button, you can choose 300, 500, 250, 500, 300 again. It is your choice. Or you can adjust the airflow. It doesn't matter which temperature you choose, you can adjust the airflow. Nice. And of course you can connect the tool with the app. Parkside app, add a tool, 20 volt 8 ampere hours, connected. 86% the battery ready to use, and we have a firmware update available for the battery. I like that. How cool is that? Temperature you can control, adjust the settings from your smartphone. I love it. The air volume. From 150 to 300. And the temperature from 50 to 500. LED work light. You can disable. It's not working. Enable. Now it's working. And you can adjust the intensity. Maximum. Fade out time. 1 second. To maximum 99 seconds. Overheat count. Total tool operating time. Current temperature 26 degrees Celsius for the battery. You can lock the battery, you need to set a pin. You can choose operation mode for the battery performance or balanced. On balance you can see it is 2 volt 80 amps. On performance it is 100 amps. Eco 3 volt 60 amps. Expert, and here you can adjust the discharge voltage from 2.5 to 3.4 and the discharge current from 5 amps to 100. Performance. Overheat notification you can disable, enable. You can identify the battery is flashing. If you have more than one battery, it will help. Current charge, discharge current, working hours, charging cycles and discharge cycles for the battery. Some informations. Nice, I love it. And the display goes red when it's working. You can adjust the airflow. Low, high. And it's cooling down right now. And again on. And with a P button you can choose P1, P2, P3, P4. Let's say P4 you are adjusting 350, and next time on P4 you can see 350. Same and for the other programs. 410 for the P1, P1 410. I will use the reflector nozzle for tube shrinking. And that's our in-depth look at the Parkside 20V performance cordless heat gun. The biggest takeaway for me is the sheer freedom this cordless design gives you. No more searching for an outlet, no more tripping over cords. Just grab it and go. Whether you are shrinking, tubing under the hood, stripping paint on a ladder, or even lighting a BBQ, the precise temperature control and quick heat up, combined with the multiple nozzles, make it incredibly versatile for almost any project. If you are looking to add a truly portable and powerful heat gun to your toolkit, especially if you are already in the Parkside 20V ecosystem, the cordless heat gun is a fantastic choice. What's the first project you use it for? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Parkside performance tool reviews and DIY tips, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep making things.